South Florida looks like paradise on the outside, but buying the right home here can be complicated. Prices move fast, new construction options change quickly, and the difference between a good investment and a great one often comes down to the details you do not see online. This channel is for you if you're thinking about buying, investing, or owning a second home in South Florida and want clear, confident guidance before making a big decision. You will tour luxury homes, explore new construction communities, and get real insight into what it's actually like to live the South Florida lifestyle. From waterfront properties to modern high-rise condos to exclusive neighborhoods, you will see opportunities before everyone else does. You will also learn how to navigate the market, understand property values, and make smart moves whether you are relocating, investing, or searching for the perfect seasonal home. Buying South Florida should feel exciting, not overwhelming. You deserve to feel informed, confident, and fully prepared when the right property shows up. Subscribe now so you can stay ahead of the market, discover incredible homes, and make decisions with clarity and confidence.